guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another favorite of mine. It's a lip swatch review and quick tutorial of the Nars Audacious lipstick. It is available at Sephora. They do have 31 shades available, but this is the shade Catherine, which is described as a sunny guava, which I believe is a perfect description of the shade color. It's like an orangey coral, summery, perfection shade. Has the Nars brand name indented in the lipstick. It's a matte packaging, super luxurious, and it also is magnetic. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Retails for $34 for 0.14 ounces. And it glides on like satin across the skin. It achieves single stroke coverage, which is 100% true, that leaves lips with captivating color, dramatic depth, and unstoppable character. It's a cult favorite. It is shamelessly seductive in touch and texture. Each shade imparts a bold, ultra saturated color that feels hydrating and stays put without bleeding or feathering. And I am in love with this formula. It makes my lips feel like I have bold, big, juicy lips, and it's still kind of like a matte look. So I would say it's full coverage, very pigmented, it's beautiful, it's comfortable, and yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like this color as much as I love it. And don't forget to check out some of my playlists, like the lip swatch playlist that I have. And hope you've been loving my quick kind of tutorials and reviews and all that. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys!